Class 9 Mathematics, Chapter 7 Triangles, Exercise 7.1, Exercise 7.1, Question number 11. Exercise 7.1, Question number 11. In the given figure, ABC is a right triangle and a right angle at B such that angle BCA is equal to 2 angle BSC. So that hypotenuse AC is equal to 2BC. Okay. Hint produced CB to a point D, that BC is equal to BD. Okay. ABC is a triangle, right angle at B, right angle at B. Angle BCA is equal to angle BCA is equal to 2 angle BSC, 2 angle BAC. So that AC is equal to 2BC. AC is equal to 2BC. Solution. Solution. Given that given that given that ABC is a right triangle, ABC is a right triangle and right angle right angle right angled at B. Okay. Angle BCA is equal to angle BCA is equal to 2 angle BAC. Okay. ABC is a right angle triangle and angle P is equal to right angle, and angle BCA is equal to angle 2 angle BAC. Produces CB2 produced CB to a point D, a point D, that BC is equal to that BC is equal to BD. Okay. Produced point CB to D, BC is equal to BD. Okay. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, comma triangle ABD. Okay. Triangle ABC, triangle ABD. AB is equal to AB is equal to AB, common side, common side of two triangles. AB is common side of two triangles, and BC is equal to BD. Given BC is equal to BD. Okay. Angle ABC is equal to angle ABC is equal to angle ABD. Okay. Angle ABC is equal to angle ABC 90 degrees and angle ABD 90 degrees. Okay. Angle ABC is equal to angle ABD. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. Triangle ABD. Let angle BAC is equal to X. Okay. Let angle BAC is equal to X degrees, and therefore angle BCA is equal to angle BCA is equal to angle BCA is equal to 2 angle BSC. Therefore BCA is equal to 2x degrees. BCA is equal to 2x. Okay. BC is equal to 2x. Therefore angle BAC plus angle BCA is equal to x plus 2x. Okay, angle x plus 2x is equal to 90 degrees. Sum of the angles of triangle 180. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Angle A, angle C equal to 90 degrees. Okay, therefore angle BAC plus angle BC is equal to x plus 2x. Therefore x plus 2x is equal to 90 degrees. X plus 2x 3x. 3x is equal to 90 degrees. X is equal to 90 by 3. Okay, 330 is 90. Okay, x is equal to 30 degrees. X is equal to 30 degrees. Therefore angle BAC is equal to 30 degrees and angle BCA is equal to 2 into 30 is equal to 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Angle BAC is equal to angle BAD is equal to 30 degrees. Okay, angle BAC, angle BAD is equal to 30 degrees. Okay, 30 degrees and 30 degrees. 2x angle C 60 degrees. In triangle ACD, angle A 60 degrees and angle C 60 degrees and angle D 60 degrees. Okay, angle ACD is equilateral triangle. Triangle ACD is equilateral triangle. In triangle ACD, in triangle ACD, angle ACD is equal to angle CAD is equal to angle ADC is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore triangle ACD is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Therefore AC is equal to CD is equal to AD. Okay, AC is equal to CD is equal to AD. Therefore AC is equal to, B is the midpoint of CD. BC, AC is equal to 2BC. Therefore AC is equal to 2BC. Okay, D, B is midpoint of B is midpoint of CD. Okay, therefore AC is equal to 2BC, hence proved. Okay.